Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Straight Group.
Breadboard chains for analog digital laboratory. This is portable. This is breadboard, and this is a putting. Clean this breadboard area, and this is another breadboard area backside. This is breadboard nut opening. This is 9 point for installing breadboard. This is many labs and lab work for breadboard, DLD lab, many electronics lab, and some computer labs using breadboard and analog digital training. This lab is Tripoli student or CSC or telecommunication or electronics student using this breadboard and analog to portable analog to digital laboratory. This is breadboard, old breadboard. Now we put new breadboard for back side. This is putting complete. Now breadboard analog to digital training we put. This is a port of analog to digital laboratory. This is complete for installing breadboard. Thank you viewers. Please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thanks. And